Hi, I'm Paul Marquez from Coastline Career Center, and in this video I'll be showing you how you could convert your military skills towards the civilian skills and towards the position that you want to go towards. So this is the prompt that you'll be using, and you're just going to be basically plug and play, and I'll also put it in the description. So let's say you were a fireman or firefighter in the Army, and then you want to become a physical therapist. Let's just say a physical therapist. So make sure to also include the technical skills, or else it's only going to give you the soft skills. So let's go ahead and do that, and let's see what this comes up with. So it's going to do its best to try to make those connections between becoming a physical therapist and a fireman. And again, you plug in the position that you want to go towards, and then also your occupation within the military. So if I scroll down, it tells you physical stamina and strength, teamwork, stress management, and also on the right side gives you how it relates to physical therapy. So this is a really good way to kind of also, if you're working on your resume as well, to convert some of the skills that you already have and then transfer it over. And for more help, definitely set up a time with me on Zoom. I could definitely set up a time with myself, and we could improve your documents so we could get you to your next steps. So talk to you soon.